You're off camera right now.
I said, is it recording?
No, I've already hit record.
Okay. So, you want to see it set up so you can see me?
See.
Maybe we need to go back though, and I need one of the lapel microphones, huh? That's perfect, I think. I want to see the alignment, how crooked it is. I know that's not level. But, you know about the little bubble over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's pretty cool. I've never noticed that before because I've never used it. But something like that, right? Are we zoomed in? That's why. That's why I was off camera. It's zoomed in all the way. See? That's all the way out. And yeah, I'll do this. What is recording right now, Jill? So I got my straight edge out, it's on the edge, and the other side's a little bent too, but as long as I know that I was good on that, where I started with the cut on each end, so I kind of helped equally on both sides. Now I need to go about 3 3/4 over to get to the fence off the blade. It's 3 9/16 to there, and it's about another 3/16 to the other side of the blade. The blade's about 3/16 of an inch. Just over an 8, maybe under 3/16, but you know, close enough. It's like a barn door. It's we can go past the opening, so it doesn't have to be that perfect. I'm just gonna make marks here. Why I'm doing that is because I don't want to still have waviness when I'm done here. So I'm flush here and flush here, but stick it in equally everywhere else. Make a little mark. And I'm gonna go 3 3/4 from that. Clamp her down. Be like Jay, clamp it. Clamp it. Okay. 3 3/4. Kind of eyeball the other end. Got the same distance there. I've got a pretty good eyeball on it. Oh, and here's one thing. As you're using clamps and stuff, keep in mind your handle on your skill saw. So make sure you go down like this instead of vertical with this part. Otherwise you're like, oh shoot. Might end up with a wavy board like this one. But you know, hey, when it's time to go to bed, you gotta do. So, you repeat the process, bring the clamp over, push the little release lever, you slide these back and forth. This is where it's good to just make the game work, so you don't have to keep the corner tape out. Okay. Put that one on there. Repeat the process one last time. Go ahead and clamp it down. Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the mask, it's real cold and because I wanted to, basically. For reasons you need to know, I guess those. So, once you got your clamp on there, double check your, make sure it's nice and tight. It will slide around from the pressure of you pushing on the skill saw. And also, when you use your fingers so you can feel it move as you come across. These smaller straight edges do move a little. You know, just one of those things. Keep your eyes out for, if it can happen, it will. So, here we are. Take your skill saw, remember, never need more blades sticking up than what you need to cut through your finger, which I don't want anything cut through my finger, and then plus a little more. So not much. Just need to cut through the material, not through your sawhorses. Like a lot of people do, a lot of beginners. Even people that have their own contractor license did it. They cut my cords off, a couple friends of mine. Anyways, here you go. Come back nice and easy, keep the blade spinning. Nice and easy. You still filming? Nice and easy. When you can, always leave the finish side up, or finish side down, because blade rips through your wood and it won't scar it. So that's how you straighten out a door that's not straight.